Dear medical students, welcome. Forensic medicine is a fascinating subject, and welcome to this medical profession, which is also a very much fascinating subject. Today onwards, you have to know how to deal with or practice medicine ethically and legally. Our objective is to train you, teach you how to practice medicine ethically and legally. Now onwards, you have to deal with your seniors, your friends, your parents, your teachers, legally and ethically how to deal with them. For example, suppose to deal with your parents, you should know the confidentiality of something. Suppose we are seeing lot of patients. We cannot tell everything about that patient to your parents. Even though they are your parents, you have to keep certain confidentiality. Now you are going to deal with your senior colleagues or senior students. Then you should know what is ragging, the definition of ragging, what comes under the purview of ragging. Likewise, you have to know the law of the land. Same time, you have to know what are the ethical issues with related to practice of medicine. You are going to the ward or you are going to see patients. How to deal with the patients empathetically. Like your parents, you have to treat or deal with senior persons. Like your sister or brother, you have to deal with patients of your age. Likewise, you should know how to deal with these patients ethically and legally. Patients are not mere patients. Patients are your relatives. Think them as your relative and talk to them as your relative and try to find out a solution for your problem as your relative. Same time, you should know the law of the land. If it is a male patient, be careful. Or female patient, be careful. There are laws with the gender discrimination. How to deal with the. So, for example, if a male person is dealing with a female patient, we have to keep certain formalities. She may be your friend. If you take a photo with you, that may be admissible to the law of the land. In some case, we have to even get permission to take a photo from the dean. So that is in this context, a lot of ethical and legal issues are there. Now we are going to teach you how to manage all these problems and follow our directions so that we can make you a good doctor, useful for the society and needful for society. We are considered God, and some are telling that we are not now considered God. But if you behave as God, everybody will consider you as God. What is the main how a God behaves with the people? God don't want anything. We used to give the money in pieces, not in notes. That is, God is not expecting anything, and God is giving us all the good things for us. Similarly, we have to give good things for everybody. They will give us. Don't demand for anything. Our aim should be to serve the humanity. That culture, that attitude should be created in your mind. Similarly, doctors are always teachers. We should know how to teach the society, how to teach your friends, parents, everybody. And that is another thing. If you can see our teachers, those who are working in our medical college, they are more oriented towards teaching students and doing research. The other work, for example, caring patients and doing postmortem examinations are only secondary. Main objective is to teach people like you and train you properly and make you a good citizen and a good doctor for the future. Thank you all.